So we just changed hotels in Amsterdam. We used to be way far from the city center, but sometimes you luck out and you're right where everything starts. That is Central Station right over there. And you're right in the middle. It's a transit area there for the local trams that you see right there. And down there, it's literally everything kind of comes in over there. And then for longer trips, train, you can get anywhere in Europe right from Central Station over there. And I'm going to do a video later, but this area right here, right there, if you look, that's a escalator down. It's a bike escalator. They used to have bike parking. Let me zoom in. This was a massive bike parking garage. You see that right there? I can't point to it right there. And there were thousands of bikes there. They're gonna take it down. What they did is they dug this whole area out. They literally dug the canal out and then built a bike storage thing underneath. I'm gonna show it to you later. And put it under the water, filled it back up. There is a time lapse of it and it's pretty amazing. So beautiful morning here. It is just, the sun's just coming up, and what a really nice room. We used to stay way over there on the north side, and now we're right in the middle of everything. Good morning, Amsterdam.